Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge cars and automotive innovation. Today, we're shining the spotlight on one of Audi's most anticipated EVs yet, the 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron. While the 2025 model has been discontinued, this next-generation SUV is set to redefine what luxury and performance mean in an all-electric future. To understand why the 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron is so exciting, let's take a quick look at its journey so far. Originally launched as the Audi e-tron, this flagship electric SUV was later rebranded as the Q8 e-tron to align with Audi's Q family lineup. It quickly became their top-tier electric offering, combining style, technology, and range that rivaled even Tesla. But here's the twist. After discontinuing the 2025 model year, Audi isn't slowing down. They're gearing up for something bigger. Enter the 2026 Q8 e-tron, a vehicle designed to push boundaries like never before. The 2026 Q8 e-tron builds on the legacy of its predecessor, boasting a massive 106 kilowatt-hour net battery capacity. This translates to an impressive WLTP range of up to 582 kilometers, or about 362 miles on a single charge. Whether you're commuting or embarking on long road trips, this beast keeps going without breaking a sweat. And when it comes time to recharge, the Q8 e-tron doesn't disappoint. With support for DC fast charging at speeds of up to 170 kilowatts, you'll get back on the road faster than ever. Plus, thanks to plug-and-charge functionality, simply plugging in automatically handles authentication and payment. No apps required. For those who crave performance, Audi offers multiple variants, including the base 50 e-tron, mid-range 55 e-tron, and high-performance SQ8 e-tron. Power outputs range from 250 kilowatts to a jaw-dropping 370 kilowatts, delivering blistering acceleration and unmatched torque. Imagine zipping from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. That's supercar territory. Of course, no Audi would be complete without stunning design. The 2026 Q8 e-tron takes inspiration from its predecessors, but elevates everything with Audi's latest electric design language. Gone are the days of bulky grills. Instead, you'll find a sleek, closed-off fascia paired with razor-sharp LED lighting. Inside, expect premium materials, intuitive tech, and a driver-focused cockpit that screams sophistication. The 2026 Q8 e-tron isn't just another car, it's part of Audi's bold vision for an all-electric future. By 2026, Audi plans to have more than 20 fully electric models in its global lineup. And while the combustion engine Q8 remains iconic, rumors suggest that a larger electric SUV could eventually carry the Q8 e-tron nameplate. In conclusion, the 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron represents more than just a step forward. It's a leap into the future of mobility. With its unparalleled range, lightning-fast charging, breathtaking performance, and exquisite design, it's clear that Audi is setting new standards for electric luxury. While we wait for official details to emerge, one thing is certain: the Q8 e-tron will remain a cornerstone of Audi's electrification strategy and possibly pave the way for even more groundbreaking innovations. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay charged and keep driving into the future.